Yes, man. I am unofficially naming this Monkey Olympics. Never knew it was a thing, but I am not surprised because we have the events where the dog them run around and jump over things and crawl through some little things, and we have the one with the horses them do their little strut and jump over tall fence and all of them sitting there. We have that for them. So why not have a more intelligent mammal like monkeys doing this? I will tell you why not. Because somewhere in the back of my mind, I cannot help but think these monkeys are using this as training for when they are going to take over the planet. If the grand battle between us and them takes place in a coconut tree field, we are doomed. People hear me out. We do not need monkeys getting any smarter than they already are. We don't need to give them no more strategy how to figure it out. They learn so much from we already. We need to try and get them done. So honestly, let me tell you the truth. You see, when Corona did strike, I did not expect the monkey uprising to go on. Because Corona did have a week, but them never make them move. So it appears them still have a little bit more training to go on. And me as a people, we don't need to make them any smarter. Remember people, a 4 hand they have. That are 2 more gun for them than we can hold. As a matter of fact, them have a tail too. So that are 3 more gun for them than we can hold. Don't equip monkeys no further.